If you are just starting with crypto, or due to any reason you want to create an account on Kraken Exchange, then this video is for you. In this video, I will not only guide how to create an account, also will verify with my own national identity card. This will be a complete guide, just make sure to watch till the end. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange platform founded in 2011, offering trading for numerous digital currencies. It provides advanced features like futures trading, staking, and margin trading with a reputation for strong security and regulatory compliance. Kraken supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and offers professional-grade trading tools for both beginners and experienced traders. After downloading Kraken application, open that app. As we are creating a new account, so we will tap on Create Account. If not showing this page, then tap on this profile icon and press here on Create Account. Enter your email address on which you want to create your account and press Continue. Type your new password for your account and press on Continue. Choose your country of origin and press on Create Account. Now we will receive a verification code on our Gmail, and we will enter here that code and we'll press on Next. Continue. Set up security PIN if you want, otherwise skip it. Here enter your mobile number and press Continue. Enter your legal name. Select your legal date of birth according to your national identity card and press Continue. Now we will type our legal address, city, and postal code. Once done, press Continue. Here select your occupation and press Continue. Choose your source of funds and press Next. Choose your source of wealth and press Next. 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 Allow recording. Now this is the most important part because here we will do our KYC. Continue. Here we will upload our photo ID. Choose your country here again and press Continue. Choose any option you want, like I'm choosing National ID. Capture front side of your national ID. If the picture is clear, then press on Use this photo. Otherwise, retake photo from here. Then capture backside of the ID card. Wait a few seconds as our ID is processing. Now take a selfie to make sure that the authentic person is creating this account. Also, it will take a few seconds and we will see a notification in next few seconds that our identity has been verified. And now we can use our account as we want and all the features will be available for us. Make sure like if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.